Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Motorola One 5G Ace, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. Okay, on the third place in our top is Niagara Launcher. So just find it, Niagara Launcher, open it and click install. I think this is very good theme because it's minimalistic. It's not load the processor because it's very simple. Now I'll show you. So just open it. Now choose your favorite applications and click OK. So good. As you can see, here we have favorite applications. Here you can set up your widgets, and here we have main menu. So as you can see, it's very simple. So if you want to find any application, for example, I don't know, Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to P later. And here you will see your Play Store and applications opened, and that's it. So I think it's very easy to use, it's very handy to use, and it's simple. And if something is simple, something is good. So great. On the second place in our top is Smart Launcher 6. So let's find it. Smart Launcher 6. Find it, click install. Click open, get started, confirm, continue while using the app, allow, confirm, cross. I don't want to set this launcher as default now, I will make it later. So great, as you can see, here we have really beautiful design, really beautiful icons, really beautiful wallpapers, widgets, and main menu. So here we have automatically grouped applications. Here we have contacts, messengers, and else. Here we have surfing applications. Here we have games. Here we have medias, utilities, and settings. So I think it's very handy to use. You need to try to understand how it handy. Here you have news, and that's it. So it's very simple and very beautiful launcher. And of course we have the best launcher. And the best launcher for your device is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it. Click open, get started. While using allow, continue, and great. And here I need to tell you that if you will connect your Microsoft account to this launcher, you will be able to create a pair with your smartphone, with your Motorola smartphone and your PC device. So if you are using Windows laptop, for example, you can receive your calls and messages on your laptop. So it's very good. You can use it, and it works good. Okay, I will skip it now. Select your favorite apps, click continue, let's go. Later. Okay, so here we have a glance panel. Glance panel is really great thing because here you can set up it in the way you want. For example, you can remove these Microsoft widgets and set up here, add here your favorite widgets. You have the whole panel for the widgets. It's really good. Here you have 2 lines for favorite applications. Here you have normal screens, normal desktop. Here you have main menu with hide applications features. Of course, you can set up it later, and you have many settings to set up. For example, you can set up really everything here. So you can set up wallpapers, themes, home screen, dock. You can set up gestures here. You can set up really everything you want in the way you need. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.